Do we need to get one of those little, how do they do it? I don't know. Hey, here we are. We're out in DC Ranch, out in Scottsdale. This is our little ADU project. We converted this single car garage into a livable space. So here's our progress from this week. Things got done. We got these pocket doors in. Woohoo! They work beautifully. Nice and smooth. Trim's all in. Got in a fresh new floor covering, put down some fresh ram board, makes it feel nice and clean and fresh again. In the bathroom here, we got some things done like the closet. We've got the closet shelving in, so that's ready to be painted. We got the vanity top on the cabinet here. We just need to plumb out or trim out the plumbing still. We got in the shower, we've got the niche shelf as I trip over things. And we also got the curb cap on here. Those are quartz. And then we had the shower glass measured. So that'll come in about another week or so, maybe 2 weeks, we'll get this shower glass in and we'll be getting really close to being ready to use this bathroom. So things are coming along great. Thanks again for following along, and we've really enjoyed bringing you updates on this project. So we'll see you next time.